Hi everyone, this is Hormone from Garden Plant Lover. Welcome to my channel. I am going to introduce Cesares Canestrino di Lucca tomato. Cesares Canestrino di Lucca or Canestrino di Lucca tomatoes. I will spell it for you. I grow it for the first time. The vines are very productive, and this looks like hollow inside, and I'm sure this is this is a paste or sauce that tomato. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It really is beautiful. It's dry, the flesh is dry, and there are no much gel around the seeds. And let me try it, but I think it would taste better in sauce. It doesn't look like a fresh eating tomato. It doesn't have much taste for me. Usually these paste type tomatoes develop the taste when they are cooked, so I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna make a sauce with it and see how that tastes. It tastes almost bland. I'm sorry to say that, but it's obviously not a fresh eating tomato. And I don't know what else to say. So it looks like a great paste tomato. So yeah, we will cook it and see how that works for sauce. Cesares Canestrino di Lucca tomato. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, please. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.